What's up, everybody? This is David McKay. I am coming to you from Morocco. Now, here's the thing. As you can see, as we are here in Morocco, we are really in the villages. We are out here, and the thing is anybody can take you to some of the big cities, and we're going to do that when we bring you here. So, places like the Blue Town that have gotten really famous, or Marrakesh and the markets and things like that. But coming out to these places where you are really in the thick of it culturally, that is so important, and it's so much different than just being in the touristy places. Our idea when we bring you out here is to get you involved and see life differently, see how other people around the world live. And, then we can photograph that. People here are really friendly. This village, we're probably the only Americans that have ever been here. And it's one of those, again, gems. We came across the Atlas Mountains. Nobody ever goes on those roads. So we hope you join us as we explore Morocco more.